Kondaa at Walibi Belgium, a masterpiece of thrills. For a fully immersive 180 degrees experience, use a VR headset to watch this video. Opened in May 2021, Kondaa is an outstanding Intamin megacoaster at Walibi Belgium. With an impressive height of 50 meters and a top speed of 113 kilometers per hour, it set new standards upon its debut as the tallest and fastest roller coaster in the Benelux countries and France. Kondaa offers an intense and thrill-packed ride experience. Over 15 airtime moments create a sensation of weightlessness, while the world's first non-inverting Cobra roll provides unique inversions. A diverse track layout, including elements like the wave turn and the bank double down, is also seamlessly integrated into the exotic world-themed area. The thematic design of the surroundings and the snake or monster-like zero cars on the trains enhance the immersive experience. Since its opening, Kondaa has quickly established itself as a top attraction, drawing roller coaster enthusiasts from around the world. If you're ever in Walibi Belgium, this unforgettable adrenaline rush is definitely a must-ride.
Wir arbeiten. Oh, ich glaube, es geht runter.
Oh, Scheiße! Das ist Intamin pur, yeah.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos. See you next time.